Hello class, this is for continue for my 1B 7.8. I realized that there's one example I did earlier. I switched the number 18. I just switched the A and B positive and negative. So don't even worry about it. Just put the negative, put the negative in the answer, so that two negative become positive. So the answers are positive. I just forgot to put the positive there. Okay, so just need to, but it's not going to affect the answer. It's still a conversion for number 18. I just switched the A and the negative sign. So, but it's not going to affect. So just in case if you notice that. And now we're going to do the second part of it. Is for if you have an undefined point, all points not included. Okay, so for instance, like this one, if this point included, this point not included, okay, and then all these points not included, but this point included, and then you could run into some kind of undefined situation. So like this one, okay, like 0 to 1. If you put a 0 here, you're okay. But if you put a 1 here, you're going to have 1 minus 1 equals 0. You cannot have 0 in the denominator, that right? So that means that 0 is your undefined point here, okay? So you can look at here, you have 0, you have 1 here. So when this approaching to 1, and you're going to run into undefined situation. So we're going to make this to be, okay, B approaching 1 from the negative side. You're going from the negative side going, okay, you have this is your negative, right? So you're going from the negative side going here. So that's why you need to go 1 to the negative side, okay? And then 0 to B, dx over 1 minus x squared. Now I need to use what? Twist up, that right? So I'm going to let x, I'm going to do it right here. A little bit lower, a little bit long later on. Let x equal to sine theta. So dx equal to cosine theta d theta. I'm going to change the limit, okay? When x equals 0, okay, and your theta, you put it here, so 0 equals sine theta, theta also equals 0. When x equals 1, theta equal to sine theta equal 1, so theta equal power 2. So now that means this time your B approaching power 2 from the minus side. So this becomes 0, this is your power 2 now, okay? So now my 1 to the 1, approaching 1 to the negative side become approaching power 2 to the negative side. And then still 0b, your dx equal to cosine theta d theta. And then this become cosine theta. 1 minus the sine squared is equal cosine theta. Reduce that, and your answer will be, and just 1. So 1 comes out just a theta. Zero to B, and let's put the theta in. Put the B becomes sine power 2 to the negative side. So couldn't see it that well. So put it inside, just equal power 2. Okay, and we should converge. So that's how you do these problems. And let's try the one. Let's try problem number 34. So still in the second type. Try one is 34. And that's problem number 34 right here. We have 0 to 5. Okay, and then W over W minus 2, dW. Okay, now this time 0, we put the 0 inside here. 0 minus 2, 0 divided by negative 2, so that's okay. put the 5 here, 5 minus 2 is 3, so that's still okay. But now, how come this one has a problem also? Well, that's because if you look at what I wrote on the top, I said undefined point. Well, there's undefined point here. That right? Look at this. W minus 2 cannot equal 0. That means W cannot equal to 2. Okay? So the undefined point here, we have to separate them. 0 to 2. Plus 2 to 5. So you just pick one of them out to do first, like I did earlier. I said if this diverge, I don't need to do this one. So I'm going to look at this one. Just look at the first one, okay? Just this one. So I look at it. W cannot become 2, so 0 to 2, 0 to 2. And always you're going approaching like this, okay? You're from 0 to 2. So therefore, you are going to the 2 to the negative. B will go to 2 to the negative side, okay? So that will become B approaching 2 to the minus side, because this is the one causing undefined. So that one had to be replaced by B. Okay, now here you can, same degree, we learned it in 7.4. I said just use a long division. Okay, you put 1 here, and then that will be negative 2, so become positive 2. So that becomes one plus 2 divided by W minus 2. I'm just doing this part, okay? So right now I'm doing the first one. I'm doing this one, okay? And I'm hoping this one's a divergent, I don't need to do that one. And so they're equal to, so integrate that. And that become W. That become ln 2 ln W minus 2, and then from 0 to B. And that becomes B goes to 2 minus, that's a B. Okay, put the B inside here. So B plus 2 ln B minus 2, subtract 0. This one is a 2 ln negative 2. When B approaching 2 to the negativity, it will happen here. That will become 2, right? But look at this one, that become what? 2 ln 0 and minus 2 ln 2. What is this equal to? Well, this one, okay, I need some room here, so I'm going to erase this part, okay? So this one, okay, here's the ln graph, okay? ln 0, you can see that when you're approaching 0, okay, you're actually going to what? Negative infinity. Is that right? So this one actually is negative infinity. So I don't care about the rest of it now. As long as one term goes to infinity, the rest of it going to be just a add to infinity, still infinity. So this is a diverge. Okay, so that's how you do these problems. And your final answer is a negative infinity. Okay, so that's why that I like to do just one portion of it first, and then to see that if it infinity, then you don't need to do the second portion.